Hello and welcome. This is a simple 3-minute space to slow down, reset, and come home to yourself. You don't need to be good or pro at meditation. Willingness to be present, even for a moment, is fine. Let's begin. Find a spot that feels good. It could be your chair, your bed, or even the floor. You can either choose to sit down or lie down or maybe lean back, whatever feels right in your body. Whenever you are ready, gently close your eyes. Let's begin with a simple breathing technique called the 4-4-4 breathing pattern. I'll count for you. You just have to follow along. Ready? Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the last time, a deep breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. And slowly exhale 1, 2, 3, and 4. As you continue breathing gently, let's shift our focus little inwards to our 5 senses. Think of this as a little self-check-in. Start with your auditory or the hearing sense. Without opening your eyes, just notice. What can you hear right now? Is it my voice? Or maybe the music? The sound of the traffic? Or the fan? Without judging or analyzing, just observe. Now move to your sense of touch. Feel your body. Where is it touching? Do you notice the clothes touching your skin? The weight of your hands? Your body weight touching the chair or the bed or the ground? Just be there in your body. Next, smell. What can you smell around? Is it the perfume around you? Food? Or the flowers? Or maybe nothing at all? Whatever it is, just notice without any judgment. Bring your attention to taste. Do you have any specific taste right now? What does your mouth feel right now? Sweet or sour? Bitter or spicy? Neutral or maybe no taste at all? Remember, every taste is okay. Lastly, even with your eyes closed, what are your eyes seeing despite being shut? Is it darkness? Any colors, black, white, or red? A memory or the image popping in? Whatever appears, just let it be. You do not have to change anything. You're doing beautifully well. Now, let your body feel lighter and lighter. And when you feel ready, you could gently open your eyes. Take one more deep breath in and exhale. Ask yourself, How does this self check-in feel? And tell yourself, I'm back again. This was a gentle gratitude towards your senses. Thank you for taking these 3 minutes just for yourself. If this feels good, check out more meditations on my channel and don't forget to peek in at the video description given below.